Another look from the International Space Station, recorded earlier this morning, flying from the south up through the Pacific region towards North America. For Saturday the 14th, welcome to another update via the Force 13 to Australia Oceania channel. The tropical weather scene is dead quiet, although we still have X-Iris on the radar. This is the latest instability. Each of these are in 3-hourly periods from 10 a.m. through to the same period tomorrow. Instability, you can definitely see where the activity could be. We know that the Bureau of Meteorology's New South Wales office did have a severe thunderstorm warning early hours today. Storm probability. And you can note the purple, that's where the low pressure system is. We have a severe weather warnings in place. Australia Capital Territory, apology for that, Tasmania, South Australia and Victoria. Wind probability, BSCH website, it's a GFS model, and you can definitely see where the stronger winds is. The dark brown, the 12-hourly rainfall from the Bureau across the next 4 days. Rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen, area of interest is the green through to blue. Now we have a look at total accumulated precipitation. The scale is at the bottom of the screen. This is a GFS model, pivotal weather website. West Coast, South Island, New Zealand, West Coast, Tasmania, area south of Fraser Island down towards the New South Wales Victoria border. We look at pressure, wind in knots. Joy Typhoon Warning Centre has nothing on their radar for the southern hemisphere. The Himawari 8 satellite view, the low is 1007 and to be 1009 near 16 South 152 East. Severe weather warning remains in place. Damaging winds, the south coast, snowy mountains, Illawarra, southern tablelands and the ACT. A gale warnings in place for the Illawarra, Batemans and Eden coast. Strong wind warning, Goffs, Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney coast. Severe weather warning, destructive winds, central east, Gippsland, Namali, southwest northern country, north central, northeast, west and south Gippsland, Wimmera forecast districts. Gale warning, Port Phillip Bay, Western Port, the Gippsland Lakes, West Central Coast, Central Gippsland and East Gippsland Coast. Severe weather warning for damaging winds, Adelaide Metropolitan, Mount Lofty Ranges, Lower Eyre Peninsula, York Peninsula, Mid-North, Kangaroo Island, Riverlands, Murray Land, Upper South East, Lower South East parts of the Eastern Eyre Peninsula. A gale warning in place for the Central Coast, South Central Coast, Spencer Gulf, Investigator Strait, Upper South East, Lower South East Coast. And a strong wind warning for the Adelaide region. Now we have a look at precipitation, and the right text in the black box is central pressure. The information provided in our last update where the severe weather warning hasn't changed, and finally total forecast of rain across the next 8 days. If you'd like to be part of Force 13 and the AU channel and team, here's Nathan with details.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.